Good everyone, let's discuss on this particular word, Dáadáa. Which one is correct among Dáadáa and Dáadáa? The correct one should be Dáadáa. For example, when you are using this word in some pronunciation, like in a sentence, when you say the boy is good, ọmọ náà dáa, not dáa, ọmọ náà dáa. So when it comes to this, the Dáadáa will just split into two. So the first one will be used, but the R must be long. That is dáa. The boy is good. Ọmọ náà dáa. Are you well? Are you good? How are you? Are you well? Ṣé o wà dáadáa? Are you good? Ṣé o wà dáadáa? How are you? That means ṣe dáadáa ni. Ṣe dáadáa ni. So that's why I always say Yorùbá is so simple. Yorùbá is sweet. There are some words that they may tell you in Yorùbá land, but when they hear it, it sounds like insult. Like, are you okay? Are you okay is a normal word in USA and in some part of America. But here in Yorùbá land, when they tell you, are you okay in Yorùbá, that means ṣé o gbádùn. When you hear ṣé o gbádùn, that sounds abusive. So that's Yorùbá for you. Yorùbá is sweet. Do you want to learn Yorùbá language? Book me as your main tutor from today. Thank you very much. When you see this video, make sure you like, share, follow me, then make sure you comment. I want to see your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.